Now, this is the arrangement. We have got one, two bond pairs. This is SO2 molecule. So this is treated like one pair, and this is one lone pair. So there are two bond pairs. Actually, there are four, but we consider them in VSCPR. Double bond is also considered single bond, and one lone pair. So it's like there will be repulsion, and they should be trigonal bipolar, but it is actually uh, this was this case, na? This was three bond pair case. Three bond pair is trigonal planar, but now there is one lone pair instead of bond pair. So it will become like this bend. Theoretically, the shape should have been trigonal planar, but actually it is found to be bent or V-shaped. The reason behind being the lone pair bond pair repulsion is much more as compared to the bond pair bond pair. So he says this repulsion bond pair is less. This repulsion is more lone pair bond pair, because the bond pair is actually is stuck between two nuclei, so it occupies very less space. The lone pair is free, so it is pushes the other electrons. So the angle is reduced from 109 to 120. Similarly, ammonia had there been a bond pair in place of lone pair, there's one lone pair. So had there been a bond pair, it would have been tetrahedral. But one lone pair is present, and one of the repulsion between the lone pair and the bond pair, which is more than the bond pair, the angle between the bond pair is reduced to 107 from 109. Had there been tetrahedral, it would have been 109. So similarly, you have water. Because there are two lone pairs, and two bond pairs. So this should have been tetrahedral because there are four total, but the shape should have been tetrahedral if they were all bond pairs. But two lone pairs are present, so the shape is distorted, tetrahedral, or angular, or bent. So the shape is decided by the atoms. So the shape is this. The reason is lone pair repulsion is more than the bond pair, so the angle also changes. It changes from 104 to 1. So the angle is affected by the lone pair, and because the bond pairs are so the bond pair gives you the lone pair plus bond pair if they're all angle, the geometry and effect on angle. There's also the effect on angle. The shape has an angle, but that angle is affected because of repulsion. So, so you have to know the shape, the seesaw. In this also SF6, so you have got